Human beings have been fascinated with the unknown of space for thousands of years, and more recently travelling to other worlds. We have sent satellites to distant planets and received images of places you thought only existed in our dreams or nightmares. NASA, along with other agencies, are working around the clock to get us to Mars, to send humans to a new planet, the kind of stuff you see in science fiction movies. But mankind plans to not only land on, but in the end settle on and terraform Mars, while exploiting both of its moons. Once we have conquered Mars and we are happily settled on the red planet, hopefully our technology has advanced to the point where we can travel light years. Then mankind will venture into the darkness of the universe, away from the comfort of our own solar system. Obviously our technology will have to be largely advanced, as we all need a supply of oxygen, heat, water and food to survive in space indefinitely, and with interstellar travel we will need lots of it. But let's assume that the human race has worked out all of these problems, and built a ship capable of things like artificial gravity to help prevent bone loss, and discovered a propulsion engine that can get us to light speed, etc. How would interstellar travel change the human body? Would we start to evolve into a different state to those on Earth? Well, on Earth humans have been evolving for millions of years. Our early ancestors led the way in human evolution, and interstellar travelling could lead us to a new direction of evolution, a direction of space humans. Multi-generational ships would provide new conditions like breathing gas compositions, pressures, gravity and radiation environments, along with other things that could act in early stages of embryo and fetus development. This will be natural selection of new selective agents on the human body. The types of new characteristics that could evolve would be very hard to predict, because mutation is ultimately random, and mutation is the origin of new characteristics. It's not entirely possible to say precisely what will happen. However, we do know that the human body does change under different conditions. Some people have migrated to higher elevations, where they are under somewhat less pressure. Their biology has changed to account for that, or to make it possible for them to live there. High altitude adaptation in humans is an instance of evolutionary modification in human populations. Studies have shown that their blood oxygen levels are different than, say, a low altitude person's. They also have deeper chests that allow better breathing. This special adaptation is now recognised as one of the finest examples of natural selection in action, and has become the fastest case of human evolution in scientific record, as it is estimated to have occurred in less than 3,000 years. So if these changes have happened to people living on Earth, but just in different conditions, then the chances of the human body adapting to an off-Earth condition is very high. But evolution takes time, a lot of time. And if our technology is as advanced at this point to take us to new systems, then maybe we will control our own evolution. Maybe we will genetically adapt our bodies to be more sufficient in deep space conditions. Ideas such as eliminating our lungs so that we don't need oxygen, or maybe getting rid of parts of our digestive system so that we don't need food. In the future there may be ways of energizing our bodies fully by using nanobots. And some other ideas are to develop an advanced inner ear that could prevent motion sickness, or genes for bone regeneration. Other suggestions are that we need to be smaller in stature, utilise our energy better, and even lose our hair. All of this may sound a little far-fetched, and predicting what will happen is practically impossible. We might become 8-armed jelly humans for all we know. But the fact of the matter is, we will have to change in some way or form to survive long-distance space travel, potentially becoming a new race of human beings. I hope you found this video interesting. Make sure to check out some of my other videos, like and subscribe for much more to come. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.